We talk about mujair. You know, mujair is in Bahasa English is tilapia. Mujair is very good fish in Indonesia. Very nice fish, and many people like it because it's tasty and it's cheap usually. What else we talk about mujair? We're in the mujair business.
Tapi belum pernah untung.
We haven't had much luck because many factors with mujair. Now we have to find people to buy the mujair. So if you're out there, you want to buy a mujair, you just call Jack and he sell you the mujair.
Bagus.
They're good jair because it doesn't use too many pellets. So no chemical.
Organic.
So we use organic. We don't talk about what type of organic, but it's good organic food.
Go for jair, ya.
Go for jair.
Jair is good.
Jair is excellent.
Fish is fish.
Yeah. So just give us a call and we'll send you some mujair or something. We'll catch them for you, and you can have a naliwat with a jair.
Awesome.
Very nice. Bakar the jair.
Bagus.
Grill is bakar. Grill the jair on the fire with the rice and on the banana leaf. Yeah.
Bagus sekali ya.
Daun pisang. Yeah. Very nice.
Okay.
With a